Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to be making carrots into swallow, or they call it carrot fufu. So I'll be using 4 medium-sized carrots. I have to scrap this up. It went through a lot of hands before it reached home. So then I wash afterwards, then cut into bits so that it'll be easy for the blender to grind. So cut into this size or even smaller, so that it will be easy for your blender to get it done easily without stocking it up. It's carrots, it's hard, so you need to make things easy for your blender. Don't spoil it, please. So after cutting, get your blender and put it in the blender. Add water to the size where the carrots reach. You can add more, but that's enough because you're going to extract it out later. So if you add enough water, the juice will be sweeter. So you're going to get carrot juice and carrot swallow from this. So once you grind it, see, by the time it's reached this stage, it's already very soft. So once it's done, you sieve it with your muslin cloth or sieve, but I think this will do a better work than the normal sieve. So after, you can use your pillowcase, washed pillowcase, fresh one, it will work better as well. So you extract water, don't extract it completely, just allow it to be moist, not completely dry. So that's the juice. You're going to use the juice. So once you add it to the pot, put it on the stove or a cooker. So you see it's crumb. Look at it. It somehow look like crumbs, like bread crumbs. So you add oats or xanthan gum. This will work as binders. There are many binders you can use. There is Achi, there is this oats that I'm using, and there is xanthan gum. A lot of things you can use. So I'm using oats right now. Remember, it's look like breadcrumbs earlier, but when you add the oats, it will start combining together. It will start forming a shape. If you don't add the gum, the something that will bind it, if you don't add what will bind it, it's not going to come together. It's going to be crumbly, it's going to be falling off. So you keep on stirring and like you want to make your normal amala. So by the time it's coming together and leaving the pot side, then it's ready. You don't have to spend this process will take you nothing less than 5 minutes. Within 5 to 7 minutes it will be ready. Look at it, it's ready. It's already coming together, and that's your carrot fufu or carrot swallow, as it may be. So you can serve your juice. Look, if you add more water, the juice will not come out very well. So you can just try to reduce the water you had for you to get the right juice. Thank you for watching.